What's going on, guys? Dave here. Wanted to make a quick video in regards to the recent news about Nvidia. So Nvidia was around the upper 140s per share, like 148, 149 per share about a week ago. And then the earnings call happened. Nvidia showed very positive or shared very positive news, but they also met all expectations and exceeded them, but the guidance they gave wasn't lavish enough for a lot of investors. And it was interesting because the stock price went down a few dollars to 139 per share, and then it went back up because I think people kind of realized, there was a lot of news and people were able to just digest, their earnings report a little more. And there was a lot of news out that suggested that, AI is the future, right? There's a huge demand for AI, and it's going to affect, many aspects of our daily lives. And um, after that, the stock received a downgrade, I think, from a Bernstein wealth management analyst, which is interesting because that same analyst 3 months ago um, basically shared news that the revenue expectation for Blackwell was pretty low, and it's going to be much higher. They thought it was going to be much higher than they had anticipated, but now this analyst has issued a downgrade for Nvidia stock, which, it is what it is, and that's kind of driven the price down to about $141 per share. But this is just my reminder to you guys: Nvidia is not going anywhere, and these stock prices or the price of Nvidia fluctuating because of some analyst, right? Or because there are asset management firms that have an expectation of, what they want Nvidia's earnings to be. It kind of takes away from all the great things Nvidia's doing. So, my point here is this: analysts can say what they want, all right? And these earnings reports for Nvidia, they draw a lot of attention and very, very high expectations, right? But at the end of the day, Nvidia is still a great long-term play. The price is going to go up, all right? I don't know what, till what, I don't know if it goes to 800 or 1,000, whatever. But right now, at this moment, we can confidently say that the price of Nvidia is going to go up, and you're going to be able to make returns off of it. It's a shame that they report earnings and they don't give a strong, of guidance that people want, but tough shit, and I kind of feel bad for Nvidia in this situation because Jensen Huang and that whole team over there is absolutely busting their ass, right? And then you have this report that Blackwell, these chips are overheating, which is causing issues in these data centers, and turns out it was totally false. It was a problem initially during the design phase of Blackwell where it was overheating. And funny how a day before the earnings report, this fucking news article comes out and says these things are overheating and it's a very, very big issue. It's a total crock. So, again, Nvidia is still a great play. You want to hold it long term. And Jensen Huang, all right, that's the guy. That's the guy, all right? That's Steve Jobs. That's Bill Gates. That's Jeff Bezos. That's the man right now in terms of leadership for a company. All right, when you compare it, I believe, in my opinion, to all the FANG companies and these, the top 10, top 25 in the S&P 500, I think Jensen Huang is the guy. So Nvidia is still a great play. It's at $141 per share right now, the week before Thanksgiving, and I still think it's going to go up long term, and I will continue investing in it, and I'll continue making videos about it. So, guys, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later.